Hey guys, today we're going to talk about aftermarket parts, right? What's the benefits and also what's the not so benefit portions of it, right? What could be the issue with aftermarket parts? Well, I'm going to tell you right now, big bonus about aftermarket parts, everybody knows it, saving money, right? So I'm not going to lie, I use it on our trucks as well. So a lot of when it comes to aftermarket parts, it's test and trial. Unfortunately, I know you guys can't do it all the time. I have a shop, we can test out one product, it works out really well, and then I keep it on the shelf to sell to my customers. Or sometimes it doesn't work out well and I chew up labor time to fix it with a different part. And that kind of, you got to weigh them out that way. I have to say that using aftermarket parts, I use quite a bit of them. There are a lot of good products out there that will save you money. Just on the top of my head, just to think of a few, right? Control arms on a Freightliner Cascadia, like the one I have behind me, those typically go for almost $200 for a control arm, where I can get an aftermarket part and spend about anywhere between $70 to $90. Big savings, right? Water pumps, right? You guys all know about the water pumps on the Freightliner Cascadia. I'm not gonna give you all the juicy details where I get my parts, but I'm gonna give you an idea about what you could save. So we found a water pump where they typically go for anywhere between I think maybe 600 bucks. I get them for about 200. We've tested out quite a few of these things, and the aftermarket water pump does work in our favor. All for the most part, no issues, knock on wood. Now, aftermarket parts, when we talk about it, right, you're probably thinking warranty, right? Well, usually when you buy any parts and when you find out about the aftermarket, it still carries a 1-year warranty, and some will even carry further. So you guys got to ask those questions if you buy an aftermarket part and say, hey, if I buy this, what's the warranty on this part? And they'll tell you it's going to be 1 year, it could be 2 years, it could even be more depending where you're buying it from. So ask questions before you buy an aftermarket part. That's all the pro stuff, right? The con, right? It is an aftermarket part. Maybe the quality is not as great. It may have lasted only a week, and then you probably have to buy another one, which again, warranty will cover it. The part, maybe not the labor. And maybe it was just because that one time it went bad, and then you get a bad taste in your mouth about aftermarket parts. But I'd say don't stray away from them. Believe it or not, there are some better ones out there. The one I struggle with, just so you guys know, is NOx sensors. Everybody hates those things because it's on the after treatment and it's always going bad. Well, nobody wants to spend anywhere between $400 to $600. So I'm constantly always testing, trying. I know I went through quite a few NOx sensors, but I think I found one that worked out really well, and the vendor was able to give me a good warranty. So I didn't give up, but now our NOx sensors are a lot cheaper, where it's in the $100 to $200 range, which I like it, and guess what? You guys like it. Now, just keep that in mind. You can always ask questions, especially if you have a mechanic that you know and trust, and say, hey, if I buy an aftermarket part, which aftermarket product is best for my truck that I know that I can trust? You can ask those questions. I know I only named a few things, but there's so much more, right? Your belts, hoses, even some sensors. And then of course, unfortunately, there are still certain things that we can't get because it's still proprietary to OEM and you still have to get it. But there are still a lot of stuff like headlights. Guys, I'm just saying, you don't have to spend 700 bucks on a headlight. Go online. It'd be like 200. Same thing for these mirrors. You guys have seen these mirrors. They go for almost 500 to 600 bucks, but you can get it for about 200. And I've been putting them on my trucks all day with no issues. As well as the hood mirrors. Hood mirrors get pretty dang expensive. Guys, you can look online, read the reviews, get the aftermarket, put it on your truck and save some money. Especially if you have more than one truck, you know it worked on this one, but now you know a product where you can buy an aftermarket part will help you in the long run. So guys, I'm pro aftermarket, just saying, because I want to save me money as well as save you guys money. So that's why I'm telling you about aftermarket parts. If you guys like what you saw today, don't forget to pound that like button. If you have any questions or concern about aftermarket parts, don't forget to leave a comment at the bottom. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. I want to send some more info coming your way.